Hello children. Yes, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 20, eating together. Okay, children, tell me when we will eat together. With our family, we will eat together. Yes, our father, mother, sister, brother, with everyone, we will sit together and eat, have a meal. And also, in a family function, all our relatives and our family members will sit together and have a meal. Other than that, when we will eat together, let's see that. First subtopic they have given class party. Okay, class party. Now on that time the school reopened and after the vacation time, okay, the children share news about how they spend their holidays. Okay, now the school reopened after the vacation holidays. So all the children they came back to school and after entering the classroom, on that time itself they started sharing their experience, how they celebrated their holidays. Okay, and then some conversation they have given. Let's read that. Okay, Meena asked Aarti, when did you put mehendi on your palms, on her hand? Okay. Then Aarti replied, at my uncle's wedding. And then David asked, you must have had a lot of fun at the wedding. Aarti, she replied, oh yes, I enjoyed the wedding feast the most. Okay, at the wedding, we had fun with all my cousins and other relatives, eating and doing everything together. Okay, and Rehana asked, why don't we do something like this in school? Let us also have some fun together. So David said, I have an idea. Then why don't we have a class party? They decided to have a class party. Okay. Then we can also eat and have fun together. Then Rehana, she was sharing her experience. We have parties in our colony whenever there is a festival. Okay, we collect money from everyone for the party. We cook some dishes and buy other things from the market. Okay. And then Reena said, we don't need a festival to have a party. Saturday is a half day. Okay, Saturday is a half day. So why don't we plan to have a party then? So they decided to have a party on Saturday because Saturday is a half day. Okay, and everyone in the class they decided what each would bring for the party. So they brought a different dishes. Okay, on Saturday for enjoying their party, and they started dancing, singing and dancing party also. Okay, they started relaxed, everyone were relaxed and they started their party. They enjoyed having their food by sitting together. Okay, and some questions they have given related to this topic. So answer all the questions. Next subtopic is celebrating Bihu. See, Bihu is a harvest festival which is celebrated in Assam. Okay, and here Sonmoni, Tanveer, Fatima and Mazani are the friends. Okay, are the four friends. And they used to Sonmoni woke up early and she ran to meet her friends Tanveer, Fatima and Mazani. Okay, it was a special day for them because they celebrating Bihu. Okay, on that day it is a new rice crop had been harvested. I told you no, it is a harvest festival. So a new rice crop had been harvested and the village people, everyone they celebrate festival of Bihu. And the four friends they were chatted and they were very happy to celebrate Bihu. And they made a bilagar from bamboo. See, bilagar is a temporary tent. This is the bilagar. Okay, it is a temporary tent. They used to make using bamboo sticks. Okay, and some conversation they have given. Let's read. Sonmoni said, hurry up, we must finish making the bilagar of grass and bamboo before the feast tonight. Tanveer, yes, today is Uruka. Uruka is the first day of celebrating Bihu. Okay, first day they used to call as Uruka. On that day the village people they will sit together and have their meal. Okay, and Fatima said, have they started preparing the feast? Sonmoni, yes, everyone has contributed money to buy the Bora rice. See, Bora rice is a rice they used to eat in Assam. Okay. Bora rice, fish and vegetables. They also arranged wood for messy. They arranged wood for messy. They used to fire the wood. Okay. And it is a ritual. They will worship the fire. Okay. That is called, they used to make a messy and they worship the fire. Okay. And Hariya and Badya have not given money, but they are helping with all the work. Okay, they are helping in all the work, but they didn't give money. Next, Fatima said, "What about the meal, fish and vegetables?" So Sonmoni, she replied, "Some people have gone to market to buy all these things. The Bora rice has been soaked, and the whole villages." We will read later. First, we will read this. See, Bihu is celebrated on 14th and 15th of January. Okay. And the first day of Bihu, they celebrate Uruka. On that day, people build a temporary shed called Bilagar and they have a community feast. Okay. And Bora is a common rice, common variety of rice used in Assam. Okay, children. It will be sticky. Okay, sticky rice. And then the whole village is busy making pita. Okay, pita is made by, the main ingredient used to make pita is wheat. Okay, it is a eatable. It is made by wheat. Okay, and some people are cooking and some are roasting the sweet potatoes, and some will help to serve the food at night. On night time, some people, they will help on serving the food. In the evening time, everyone will be served tea and pita. Okay, Tanvir said, "I am waiting to eat the cheva rice that we will get at the feast. I really love it." Okay, Tanvir, he really loved to eat cheva rice. See, cheva rice, it is how to prepare a cheva rice. Let's see. See, Fatima said, "How will the cheva rice be prepared?" Sonmoni answered, they will light the fire and boil the water in a big tow, a big vessel. Okay, on the vessel, they will put the kadahi containing soaked rice. Okay, they will put some rice on it and cover it with banana leaves. Okay, after sometimes cheva rice will be soaked and ready to eat. Okay, let us talk some questions they have given regarding this subtitle. Answer everything. Okay, and here this is called messy. I told you, no, they used to worship the fire. Okay, this is a ritual. They used to worship the fire. Then the Bilagar was ready. The four friends ran off to change their clothes. Okay, when they starting their rituals, all the people, they used to wear their traditional dress. Okay, they used to dress up traditionally and they will be dancing and singing also. The drums started playing and everyone started to sing and dance. And everyone will be tired. Until they get tired, everyone will sing and dance. And at that night, they will stay in the Bilagar. Okay. Next, Mazani said, "Sonmoni, we should go and sleep now. We have to light up the Mezi and Bilagar also." Okay. And then some questions they have given. Answer everything. Next subtitle is midday meal. Okay. Have you heard this midday meal? Where did you hear this midday meal? In the schools. Yes, no, children? Who introduced midday meal act? Kamarajar. Yes, no, Kamarajar. On that time, he was a chief minister. So, he introduced a midday meal act. Okay. Let's read this. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. In school, 1 o'clock. So, the smell of the food cooking is coming from the veranda and our stomachs are rumbling. All the children were sitting inside the classrooms and it is a time of 1 o'clock. So, everyone's stomach started making sound. Okay. They can't able to pay attention on the class, what ma'am was taking. And then the bell was rung and all the children, they ran out to wash their hands. And Master Moshai send all the children to the hand pump. Okay, on that time the children want to go to hand pump and wash their hands. Okay, there is no pipe and it was present in the corner of the courtyard. Okay, and Ananda, he used to monitor the children whether they are washing their hands properly or not. Okay, and then after washing their hands, some children, they will be bringing their tiffin boxes and some they won't be bringing na. So other children, they will take a plate and they used to get food from the school. Okay, they used to stand in the queue to get the food, and after getting the food they used to sit in a big circle. They used to make a big circle and sit together to have their food. Before having their food, they will be singing one song. What song is that? We play together, we eat together, for the good of everyone, we will always be together. Okay, this is very nice song. And on that time there is a rice with vegetable and gravy, and in our meal, okay, in their meal. And yesterday we had luchi and chola dal outside Didi Moni's room. Okay, outside, Didi means elder sister, her name was Moni's room. Moni, okay, her room was there, and in that room they can find a menu list. Okay, in a week what all the food items they will be prepared, the menu list will be there, okay, in a school. Okay, and in if on some days we got an extra treat, on some days they will get some extra treat like sweets. Okay, likewise some extra treat also they will be getting. Next, an interesting thing, what will happen in the lunch time. Okay, that is, everyone they used to change their place while they're sitting in a circle. Okay, day to day they will change their place, only they can find a new friend and they can make a new friend also. Okay, and then the food was not always very nice. Okay, during their meal, they used to get food in the school, no children, it won't be always very nice. Sometimes the rice quality will be poor, and sometimes they won't cook the food properly. So then Didi Moni, she explained to them, everyone, it was everyone's duty. Okay, it was everyone's duty to make sure that the children got fresh, hot and properly cooked food. Okay, also make sure that every child gets afternoon meal regularly. Okay, and then the parents also decided to help. And now things are better. Okay, now things are better, we eat fresh, hot and properly cooked food together. The younger children sometimes cannot finish all the food, but my friends and I are sometimes still a little hungry even after we eat. Okay, on that time the younger children they won't eat the food. Okay, completely more food they cannot eat. So the other higher class childrens, they will be hungry, no, after eating the food also they will be hungry, it won't be enough to them. So they will get food from the younger children, the wasted food from them, and they will eat. Okay, and nowadays many schools give food in school during the day. Okay, it was not always like this. When on the olden days, when my Didi was in the primary school, children did not get afternoon meal in school. Some children came to school in the morning without eating anything. Okay, imagine having to study on an empty stomach. It is very hard, no children. Okay, a food is a regular thing, it is a main thing which we need. Okay, and for getting food, the Kamarajar, he declared an act called midday meal, and every children they were benefited by this act. Okay, and some questions are asked, answer everything. And one interesting thing they have given about midday meal. Midday meal, every child's right. Okay, many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day. Many of them go to school empty stomach and cannot study properly. Okay, some years ago the highest court of our country gave an important decision. Okay, all children up to elementary school should be provided with hot cooked food. This is the right of every child. Okay, yes, okay children, complete page number 173. And today's homework is read and complete book questions in page number 167 to 173. Okay, complete each and every question. Thank you children, be safe.